Welcome back. So I got this renewal, Dr.Esthe's Real Essential Goat Milk Pill Program. So I'm going to introduce you guys this renewal one for you guys. This is the renewal version of Dr.Esthe's Goat Milk Pill Program, in which this one is included AHA, BHA, PHA, and LHA goat milk extract, and this one is the original one, and this one is renewed with new ingredients. As you see, there are the same amounts of Dr.Esthe's Goat Milk Pill Program kit, in which they are formed with these 4-weight programs. The size of box is changed, and also the outer look is changed. The bottle and this package all is changed. The design also is changed. And of course, the ingredients are included more here in the renewed one. So today I'm gonna try the new Dr.Esthe's Goat Milk Pill Program. So as you see, what's changed is that it's got much more goat milk, AHA and LHA, and also here is PHA, BHA, and AHA included. It's got this milky peeling cream inside here. So after cleansing my face, I'm gonna put my program, the first one, on my face. And I'm gonna use the brush they gave us, and here you go, I'm gonna peel my face today. It smells really great, this kind of flowery smell fragrance. So dip it here, and put it here, on your face. Dip on your face. And wait for 1 minute and 30 seconds. If you have a sensitive skin, just wait for 1 minute and take off your peel. Here is 1 minute and 30 seconds after. And I'll wash off this peel. You see the brightened skin. And I'll put my Dr.Esthe Goat Milk. Finish off my skin. Push the bottom of the bottle and it will take out this cream, this milky texture. Wow. Wow. Nice.